Chapter 5 Shubhashit Vaibhavaha. In Sanskrit literature, the longest poetic work is known as Mahakavya and the smallest poetic work is known as Muktaka. Just as a single pearl is invaluable, so too are these small Muktakas. These Muktakas are sayings or epigrams. This well-known and melodious form of Sanskrit literature has the distinctive ability to serve in its 4 lines the precious teaching of life in the most aesthetic manner. From these epigrams, we get the moral of ideal life and goodness. Such epigrams have been collected in this lesson. In the epigrams chosen for this lesson, you will notice words with a one type of case endings. These case endings will help you in learning the Sanskrit language. On the other hand, these epigrams will also provide you with inspiration to develop the values in them. The immortality of fame in this mortal world, greed as the basic cause of all sins, the ability to recognize friends and one's skin, the characteristics of good and bad people, etc. This will help you to make your life bright and virtuous. माधुर्यम क्षर व्यक्ति ही पदच्छेदस्तु सुस्वरः धैर्यलय समर्थ च षडेते पाठका गुणाः sweetness of tone, clear pronunciation of letters, isolation of words, beautiful voice, courage and sense of rhythm. These are the 6 qualities of a good reader. Chalam vitam chalam chitam, chale jivita yovane, chalachal midam sharvam, kitireva hi jivati. Wealth is transitory. Mind is unstable. Life and youth are unsteady. Perishable. All these consist of the stable and the unstable. Only fame or reputation lives forever. Makshikaha vranamicchanti, dhanmicchanti parthivaha, nichaha kalahamicchanti, shantimichanti shadavaha. Houseflies desire wound. Kings desire wealth. The weak desire quarrel or conflict. Good people desire peace. गावो गंधेन पश्यन्ति वेदेः पश्यन्ति
ब्राह्मणाः
चारेः पश्यन्ति राजान् स्वक्षुभर्यामीतरे जनाः. Cows see, understand the things by smell. Brahmins see by their knowledge of Vedas. Kings see through their spies. Common people see with their eyes.
दरिद्राय
धनं देयं ज्ञानं देयं जडाय च पिपाशिताय पानीयं क्षुधिताय च भोजनम. The poor should be given money and the ignorant should be given knowledge. Water should be given to the thirsty and food should be given to the hungry. लोभत क्रोधः प्रभवति, लोभत कामः प्रजायते, लोभन मोहश्च नाशश्च लोभः पापस्य कारणम्. Anger originates from greed. Desire is born out of greed. Temptation and destruction are caused by greed. Greed is the cause of sin. तक्षकस्य विषं दन्ते मक्षिकायाश्च मस्तके वृश्चिकस्य विषं पृच्छे शर्वा अंगे दुर्जन्यस्य तथा. The snake or takshat has poison in its teeth. The fly has poison in its head. The scorpion has poison in its tail. A weak person's whole body is full of poison. उत्सवे व्यसने चेव दुर्भिक्षे शत्रु विप्लवे राजद्वारे श्मशाने च यस्तिष्ठस्ति स बन्धवः. One who stands by us during festivals as well as during a calamity, famine, war with the enemy and in the royal assembly as well as in the crematorium is our real relative.